Hi, knife people. I am a Bug River knife handle collector. First, this sheath is a special one, EEP sheath. I don't know what is the EEP, however, waterproof, oily feeling on its surface, different from regular one. This is not black, brown EEP. However, color is very dark compared to regular one. And the stitching is different. I believe this is old version. Aged bamboo sheath. Sorry, aged bamboo handle. Micro cracks on its surface, just surface. And beautiful pins, two colors, brass and silver. And green liners. Very comfortable. I know this material, bamboo, is not very slick from this experience. Fiddleback Reckless Back River version, aged bamboo. And this handle, very slick in blood. You know, during the dressing, surface is full of blood, very slick, and I wounded my finger, unstable in my hand. Compare the weight. $153, $155, 2 grams heavier. I have thought until now that bamboo is lighter than synthetic material or wood. Oh yeah, I have a wood hand here. $160. Sorry. $157. $155. 2 grams lighter. However, this is solid pins. This is mosaic pins. Mosaic pins is filled with, thin thread-like small pins and square pins, and black portion must be plastic. So this pin must be lighter than solid pin. However, same weight. Is it liner weight? I don't know. Anyhow, not extremely light material, you know, same as wood and same as this one. However, this is hollow pins. So I don't say the correct thing in this comparison. Okay. Anyhow, not heavy. Next chance, I will use this knife. And yeah. Black. African blackwood. Very good. The problem is this handle. Slick and dangerous. I'd like to improve this handle. And I don't want a new micarta handle. The resolution is just one thing. Grinding with sandpaper. You know. This handle is superb. Especially this reduced portion, very, very grippy. Good friction here. So, in bloody situation, very stable in my hand. Very different from this handle. However, I believe, these two are the same material. Canvas micarta. You know, pattern, you know, like fabric pattern, very similar. I believe I can do it. I was able to get matte finish canvas micarta. However, I chose this coated micarta because I know this handle no problem, same as coated linen micarta. However, from this contoured thick handle, it's very stable regardless of surface slickness. Bravo 1 is okay with slick handle material. However, Bravo Fox River is not okay with slick material. I must improve this slickness to this friction. Oh. Okay. I will do it from now with this stuff. 120 sandpaper. Mm. 120 is pretty good. I finished. Easy job. It took 10 minutes. much better than coated handle. More grippy. Absolutely. This is a bit better around here. Reduced portion. However, flat portion, same. No problem. It's a good handle now. Anyhow, next chance, I'll test this handle in the field. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.